Alright, this one. Okay. Okay, let's start. This is about array of objects. Yeah. As we know, array is a collection of similar objects in one compartment and one compartment. Yeah. So let's start with the one. Okay. Uh, Here we are going to see how we can create an array of objects, and then look at the advantages of array and objects on our program. Okay, assuming that we have 50 students that we want to save, so we need to use several different arrays. Okay, one for name, one for address, okay, and one is for metric number and so forth, okay, which is very cumbersome. Okay, that is for normal array. But now a better way to have this collection is using the array of students object. As we know, objects can hold different types of data. Okay, so we put together the names, address, and metric number in one object. Alright. Okay. Okay. So this is the how we're going to declare array of objects. Okay. So there are two steps. Okay. There are two steps. With step one, we can create an array of type class. Okay. Class name. Okay, with the array name and then new class name and the size. Okay, so for example, we have employee name, class name, and this is the array name emp with the square bracket here. This square bracket can be put here or in the middle. Yeah, it's like this. Okay, you can put in the middle. Okay, there's no problem. And then new employee fee 5. So 5 is the size of the array. So it means that we are now creating an array of five spaces for object. Yeah, 5 objects. Okay. So next is okay. So number 2, we can create an object. Okay, and in each index of the array. Yeah. So for example, Allah. Okay, for example, okay, we can now create an object at index number 1. Index 0 is item number 1. So new employee, okay, together with the data. Okay, so means for element number 1, which is employee index number 0, we have the object employee with this data. Okay, 010 12,000. Okay, and then number 2, element number 2 of the array, which is index number 1, we have another object with this data, and so until the object number 5, index number 4 with this data. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, so first declare the array, second you create the object in each index of the array. Okay, so now we have the array, we have the data for each element of the array. Okay, so this is how we create array of object. Okay. Okay, or a second way, we use the initializer list. Okay, where we can have like this rectangle. This is the class name, rectangle, square bracket that shows it is an array, and this is the array name, and inside this curly bracket, okay, the first data you put new rectangle for 2. This is for object number 1, comma, okay, separated by comma, new rectangle 3, comma, new rectangle 6, 7. So now we have 3 objects. okay, in the array. Yeah, 3 objects in the array with those uh, uh, data. Okay, so this is another way to create an array at the same time initialize, give the initialize value. Okay, so now finish for array of object declaration as well as initialization. So we have 2 ways. Yeah, finish for that part. Okay, thank you.